Alright, this is Kola Morokola from Lamp Media Touch. In this short video, I want to show you how you can make use of Envelope Distort Tool to fit text into an object or to convert a text into a particular shape of object. So what I will want to do now is to type the text I want to use. So let me use this popular text. Good. Yes, 5. So duplicate this one so that I can have the same fonts and the same size. Good, 5. Duplicate it again. Only, yeah. So the next thing I will do is to draw a perfect circle or ellipse. So, and I want these shapes to wrap around this object, but since I'm having 3 layers of text here, so this circle I will need to divide it into 3 aspects. So there are so many ways you can do this, but the one I want to adopt is by using a knife to cut it. So you can position your hand after you have selected the knife tool. You can see the Adobe Illustrator 2023 showing us how that thing can be used. So it's the same way, you just position your hand. There's another settings underneath which we will be covering in another video. So just draw a curvy line over. Yeah, that's it. So with this now, I've cut this part upper here from this part down here. So let me cut the third part also, so following the same path. Don't have to, so depending on your settings, the tools might be making some perfect adjustment for you. So now if I go back to select my direct selection tool, click out, then click on them one by one. So the layers has been divided into 3 parts. So the next thing you need to check is that this object that you want to form into a text, or the text you are trying to form into the object you are using to as a formation should be at the top of the text. So in my own case, because of the way I ordered the text, I first typed the text before drawing the shape. So automatically on the layers panel here, the shapes are all above the text. So you can see now. So this is something you must check. It can be on a new layer, but the shape must always be above the text. This is something you must take note. If it is not above it, it might not work. So now let me select the text, the first text, then hold down shift, then select the second text, the first shape, then just go to objects, envelope distort, then make with top object. So that's it, that's been formed for us. So the second one, to you click objects, envelope distort, make with top object. Wow. The third one, select the shapes underneath, object, envelope distort, then make with top object. So that's it, we are done with making use of envelope distort. There are some other changes you can still do, and as you can see, this is a non-destructive process, because this text you can change it to be this text can be adjusted to be any other thing. You can type and change the text. So but in this case we are not changing the text. I'm still okay with the text. If you double click on the text, you can actually change the text to be another thing. So now I want to make some adjustments, like this one is getting too close. Select your direct selection tool to make the little adjustments you might want to make. They adjust the anchor points here, adjust the notes here up a little bit. If the curve is not that perfect, you can use that to adjust it. So raise the curve up, adjust the anchor points, and that's it. Your envelope is ready. So that's that. I hope you enjoy and like this short illustration or short tutorial. So please kindly click the subscribe button to encourage me to do more of this short video, and please share if you think someone needs this kind of thing to learn from, and after that click the like button so that you will get notified if I post this kind of video next time. Thank you.